Hi guys, welcome back to this review video. In this review video, I am going to show you a powerful tool that you can use to rewrite your articles. Please make sure to be stick to the end of this review video. So let's get started. Now we have come to the sales page of SpinRewriter. SpinRewriter is a powerful tool that you can use to spin articles automatically. It uses an algorithm to completely revise the article into a copy that no one has ever posted before. SpinRewriter rewrites the content on paragraph, word, and sentence level. Here you can see that this is Aaron, the creator of
Hey, I'm
SpinRewriter. He gives here he provides the demo video. Now look at this, and after that,
Aaron, but enough about me. Let me show you the software because that's what you're really interested
in this video, Aaron told about how it works and how you can use that. Now let's go ahead. Here you can see that some of the testimonials are given. Now with the help of SpinRewriter, you can flood your website with high quality content and add the cost of a button. This matter because the more good content you have, the more keywords you can rank for. Now let's over 1,39,000 unique visitors in just 3 months from scratch. And again see over 53,000 visitors a day, approximate 1.17 million visitors a month, and still going to climb. So you can see that how the pupils are going by using SpinRewriter. So if you are a if you are a website runner, then you should also use this. So now let's talk about what's the difference between emulated natural spinning and regular spinning. Here you can see that text is given in the editor box, and this is rewrite by the rewriters. This red part is rewrite by the other rewriters, and this green part is rewrite by the spin rewriter. So you can check that what is the difference between both of these. Here you can see that why SpinRewriter is the market leader. SpinRewriter is the market leader because it can save you hundreds and thousands of your hours. So this makes the SpinRewriter as a market leader. Now this is your chance to join over 1,81,394 SpinRewriter users. Almost so much amount of users are using this. Here you can see that again the many testimonials are given. Here you can see that this SpinRewriter is going to be launched with 12 of its upgrades. So you can check out this all these things. So now let's talk. What will you get if you activate your free trial today? You will get more article, more time, more website and keyword, more traffic, and more profit. So now you can let's talk about how SpinRewriter works. You can generate hundreds of high quality articles in just three steps. Step number one, paste your article into the editor box. Step number two, use one click rewrite to turn your whole article into something completely unique. And the last and final step number three, hit export to generate up to 1,000 variations of your original article. So you can see that as you hit the export button, you will get thousands of variations of your article. And the best part is that this whole process takes about 2 minutes to complete. So now this is again the testimonials. You look at this, these are the brands and companies that are using SpinRewriter to write their article and going. So this all the feature set you can see what you will get with the SpinRewriter. So you can check it out from the sales page. Something as list shuffle, ignore original words, and all the feature set you will get. Now let's talk about the pricing of SpinRewriter. SpinRewriter has three subscription based plans. One is $47 a month. Second one is $77 a year, and the third one is $497 a single payment. You can get lifetime access when you go for it. So I will suggest you to go with this plan, $77 a year, $77 a year because you will get 60% discount or October sale, and you will get a free trial for 5 days. So I would like to suggest you to go with this plan. And the best part is that it has 100% 30-day money back guarantee and no question will be asked why you are getting refunded. And I want to tell you that if you go for a plan $77 a year, then you will get two extra bonuses. Bonus number one is SpinRewriter video collection, built-in database of 8 million relevant videos. And bonus number two is 10 free seed article, 10 free relevant article from big content search. So I think these bonuses will be very helpful for you because it has tons and millions of videos and 10 articles from related big content search. So I think this is all about SpinRewriter. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description box and check it out. So and last thing I want to tell you that if you check it out from the link given in the description box, I will provide you my custom bonuses. And how will you get my custom bonuses? When you purchase it, take a screenshot of that purchasing and contact me on my Instagram. And the link of my Instagram can be found in the description box. So go for it. Thank you.